In the digital age, establishing an online presence is vital for businesses of all sizes. For small companies, however, the competition landscape can be daunting. Search engine optimization is a powerful tool that can level the playing field, helping small businesses compete with larger ones. To harness the potential of SEO effectively, many small companies turn to SEO tools. In this video, we will delve into SEO tools and how they can help assist small companies in achieving online growth. Moz. Moz is a prominent SEO tool known for providing a suite of tools designed to boost a website's search engine visibility. Small companies can benefit from Moz's comprehensive SEO solutions, including keyword research, site audits, backlink analysis, and rank tracking. Moz's user-friendly interface and educational resources make it accessible for small business owners who may not be SEO experts. Moz's value for small companies lies in its ability to help them identify valuable keywords, optimize on-page content, and monitor their progress over time. By improving their search rankings and visibility, small businesses can attract more organic traffic and potentially compete with larger competitors in their niche. By using these SEO tools effectively, small businesses can enhance their visibility in search engines, attract more organic traffic, and compete with larger competitors in the digital landscape. In a world where online presence is paramount, these tools empower small companies to seize the opportunities of the digital age and thrive in their respective markets. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more essential videos. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.